How to add a logo to video. To begin, I added a video to my timeline that I want to add a logo overlay to it. Drag and drop your logo image to your timeline. Set its length to match your entire video. Now double-click on your logo in Program panel to select it. Drag one of its handles to change its size. Also, you can move it to a position you want. Now select your image in timeline, then go to Effect Controls and decrease opacity a little bit. Now delete this image and let's work with another image. If image has a background like this, go to Effects panel and search for Color Key. Drag and drop Color Key effect into your image. With your image selected, go to Effect Controls and under Color Key, select the eyedropper tool and click on the background of image to remove it. Now you can position and scale this image like before with no background. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.